What's up, guys? Coltrane here. Today it's 4:30 a.m. and we're on our way to the airport. Hey guys, Coltrane here. Hey guys, Coltrane here. Hey guys, Coltrane here. Hey guys, Coltrane here. Hey, what's up, guys? Coltrane here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so we've gotten checked in, we've gone through airport security, and it's 5:11, our flight's at 6, and now we're just going to hang out at the airport for a while and wait until it's time for our flight. Okay guys, so we're finally out on the plane, and I guess I'll see you in Philadelphia. Okay guys, we finally landed in Philadelphia. We're waiting for our bus right now to take us to get a car, and then we're gonna get to where we're staying. Okay guys, that's it for this video right now. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know if you could tell or not from the footage, but I was very tired on the way there. I woke up at 4 in the morning. We had to drive to the airport, fly on a couple planes, get to New Jersey. Eventually, we landed in Philadelphia and then had to drive to New Jersey. It was a whole bunch of stuff. I just got home from the trip today. I'm happy to be back. So throughout the entire trip, I am tired. I try to do as best as I can. And I will give a little sneak peek, so to speak. We did end up catching fish on this trip. Quite a bit, I'd say, in a very small creek. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this series. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.